welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is Introduction to Human-Machine Interaction. This video is the first video of the Human-Machine Interaction lecture series. So let's get started. First, let us understand the definition of Human-Machine Interaction, also abbreviated as HMI. Human-Machine Interaction or HMI is the study, planning and design of how people and machines work together to satisfy human needs in the most effective way. Let us understand this definition using some examples. Let us recollect our experiences using our mobile phones, working on our laptops, enjoying a nice breeze from a table fan, or using a vacuum cleaner to clean our house. Most of such interactions are intuitive and effortless thanks to HMI. That helps design these machines in a way that allows us to interact with them effectively in order to get our work done. We interact with these machines via an interface called as user interface. Let us understand what is user interface. User interface is the part of the machine that people can see, hear, touch, talk to, or otherwise understand or direct. For example, here a touchscreen display is an interface we use to interact with our mobile devices. Now let us understand how these machines and interfaces have evolved to meet our human needs. The first generation machines are the ones that reduce the physical labor, for example an hand axe. The handle of the axe acts as an interface to access this tool. Then came the second generation machines that displayed output, for example, a compass that shows us the direction and a measuring tape to measure length. Here, the pointer and the scale acts as the interface to access these devices. Next is the third generation machines that provided output with feedback, for example, a washing machine, where buttons take the input and a digital display gives us feedback on the machine state like the time remaining for the load to complete. Then are the fourth generation machines with computing power. For example, our laptops and computers that take input via keyboard, mouse or touchpad and display output and feedback using monitor, speakers, etc. The last ones are the fifth generation machines, also called as intelligent machines. For example, an autonomous car, which takes the stimuli from the environment using sensors and acts on the environment using actuators like wheels, headlights, horn, etc. Here, the car interacts with the environment or humans using sensors and actuators that acts as the interfaces. That's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubts, please do let us know in the comment section below. If you have liked the content, then do not forget to like and share the video with your friends and subscribe to Be The Best channel for more such videos. Meet you in the next video of the HMI series. Bye-bye.